Jessica Lane 2, Jessica Lane
because
2,
they're
please.
watching the social media, so I'm gonna be on their face while they're watching. And if you take a look at the analytics, the click-to rate is crazy. So that's what I'm focusing on. You know what I'm saying? That's how you're gonna attract these millennials. Bottom line, you got high-end cars and you got some pretty ass shit in Mercedes. I'm doing it with Mitsubishi. Can you imagine if I had a Mercedes store? I'd be retiring. I'll be retiring soon. If you wanna stand out from the rest, you gotta go out there and you gotta go hard, right? You gotta make sure you gotta look at the competition and see what they're doing with your social media. And if you see there's room for growth and you can dominate that, there's plenty of companies that you can do, but not doing anything at all, it's not gonna help the situation either. You get what I'm saying?